There we go, guys. I got another video here. This one's going to be a reconditioning of this Benchmade Cub knife, model number 145. I believe this is 154 cm. Yep, 154 cm steel. This is going to be donated to a veteran. I'm going to give it away on the Benchmade group on Facebook. It was given to me by another member who wants to remain anonymous. I'm going to recondition it and I'm going to give it away. Just want to give you some pictures beforehand here, what it looks like. It's seen some use. It's definitely not new, but it's not bad either. It's pretty much all cosmetic. As far as the edge goes, I'll be able to bring that back to be better than factory new. Do a sharpening test here real quick. Get it on camera. It's trying to cut, but just won't cut the phone book paper. You can see right here there are some chips in the blade here. You can see this shiny spots right there. It means that the blade is a little bit flat in that area. And this part of the blade here is typically where you see most of the where it gets worn out the quickest, I guess. The serrations seem fine. I don't see no issues with the serrations. I'm not going to touch those at all. Don't need to. All right, we'll be back. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm gonna get going here on this knife. I marked the edge here with Sharpie marker, so I want to try to match the factory bevel the best that I can. I'm going to use the 120 grit stone on my Edge Pro here, and we'll get going. It won't take long to set the bevel with this stone here. It's pretty aggressive. All right, I already got a burr on that side. I am going to be using the, this is a new accessory from Edge Pro for the Apex and the Professional. It's kind of like a claw. It allows you to lock in the knife, hold it at a specific angle, I guess. Keep it lined up with the table perfectly so you don't got to move the knife at all. It works out really nice. All right, see how this side looks. All right, I got a burr on that side as well. All right, the bevel is set. Now I'm just gonna progress up through the grits and get this knife finished out. All right, I'm gonna be going on to the 220 grit. And just so you know, the angle here is roughly around 20 degrees. That's very common with factory knives. That's typically most knife companies try to achieve on their knives is a 20-degree edge on each side. All right, got a burr. Gonna flip over to the other side. And I am holding the knife on the face of the blade, not on the ricasso. It's a bigger area. It'll allow me to hold it down easier, be more consistent. look at it. Oh yeah, got a burr there as well. All right, gonna move on to the next stone. All right, gonna be using the 300 grit diamond matrix stone. Don't need a lot of pressure with these stones. The diamonds do all the cutting. All right, go on to the other side. Oops, sorry about that. All right, time to move up. All right, now we're on to the 650 grit diamond matrix stone. Got a burr. This 154 cm steel sharpens really well. It holds an edge and it's fairly easy to sharpen. All right, we're on to the 1100 grit stone. This is where it's going to start really getting sharp. Not sure if you can see it in the camera or not, but that bevel is getting a pretty good shine to it. As I progress up the grits, it'll get shinier and shinier to where it looks like a mirror in the end. All right, moving on to the 2300 grit. All right, moving on to the 2300 grit. This is really going to start putting a polish on the edge here. Okay, go on to the other side. Let's take a look at it. Touch up a couple of the spots here. All right, gonna start with the finish off with the 4000 grit with the stones, then I'll move on to the strop. It's turning out real nice. You can really see the reflection there. Touch it this side one more time. Alright, see if I can show this on camera. You can really see that shine there. Bevel now it's pretty even, it's pretty consistent. So I can show it there. Alright, moving on to the strop. I'll be back with the finished product. Alright guys, I'm back. Got the knife done. Turned out really well. Got a really good edge on there now, better than what the factory had on there. You can see that mirror polish there. Finisher on the strop. See how she cuts. Yeah, I'd say she's sharp. Yeah, it just glides right through the phone book paper. One last cut. All right, you get the picture. All right, like I said before, this knife here, I'm going to be giving it away to a veteran on the Benchmade Facebook private group. I'm going to do a random drawing for a veteran. This was given to me by another member on that forum, just to kind of recondition to give it away. So lightly used. All these marks here are all superficial. There's no scratches on the blade. There's no rust, nothing like that. Like I said, the guy who gave it to me to give away used it lightly. Comes with the sheath. That's that. All right, till next time.